Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about 2D list printing and how to handle 2D list in Python. It is very much very easy and handling this 2D list printing. With the including of using of nested loops, we'll simply print like matrices how the patterns are to be. Like see here, I will show you on the matrix pattern of like this is the pattern where is in matrices it would be 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. This is the pattern we are going to printing and how to access these patterns the matrices using our programming way using nested loops. We will see here. I will write like a matrix I'm implementing matrix I'm going to be writing for this matrix. See, like a 3 by 3 matrices, if I written here called so now within the list items, I have to write here. Now, matrices is having first row, it is 1, comma, 2, comma, 3. So similarly, more paste straight away. I'm pasting here. Tab, align the code. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the matrix is available. I have to take it comma here. Done. Okay. Now the value which is I want to take from here from the matrix. You want to write simply for matrix by calling print of matrix of what is the position I'm going to be take from here 0 and 0 space and like a 0 comma 1. If I want to read matrix like this, now see what we will get output. So I have a given the position 0, the 0 row and the position 1, the index of the 1, the output is 2. This is the value I'm able to get. If I change this to 2, it would be isn't that the 3. That is the way we can easy to read the matrices by using the 2D list. Alright, add our wish to add over there a value of the matrices. Any like if I want to correction and modify these matrices here 0 comma 1 I'm instead of 2 I want to print over there in the value of 20 like C. I will tell you how to it is a matrix that equal to sorry matrix that equal to I have to pass the value of 0 1 means this is the string only is required. Okay. 0 1 equal to 30. That's it. Now the value it is printed is in 20 only. Likewise, 2D list we can modify the values from the 2D list very easily. And this is the matrix we can easy to read what are all the numbers from these matrices using the nested row. We have to write 2 loops to implement that. Now we will see how to write. For row you can call it as or item you can call it as anything. Matrix for row in matrix and for item in row. On every loop statement terminate with colon. Now what I want to print here is a print of the item. See here on first row wise I am identifying from the matrix. On the row how many columns are there I am identifying here. That column means that this is we call it as a row and this is the 1 2 3 the straight away it's in a column we can identify it by row wise and within the row the column wise we can read the data from left to right and on row there is an item I am identifying and I'm taking in a print with that particular item. Now see how it will be the output. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Will any 6 is different? 5. Execute. Now see here, an output is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whereas index, based on the index numbers, we can identify the matrices in the list, as well as we can also find and modify the 2D list items using the matrices patterns. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.